Hello students, today we are going to start lesson number 5, Introduction to Windows. Okay, in that we are going to see using Windows Explorer. Windows is a multitasking operating system. It can perform many tasks such as processing data and printing documents simultaneously. You can open and run more than one application. The icon of the application that you open is displayed on the taskbar. You can switch between this task by clicking on the required icon. In Windows, you can easily switch between various folders and manage your files using a Windows program called Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer helps us to manage and organize files and folders. The Windows Explorer screen has two parts that we are going to see. Let's see. First part, we are going to see the left part of the Explorer screen shows all the components of the desktop like favorites, libraries, computer and network. You may note that some components have a triangular sign before them. It shows that there are deeper levels of components under them. On clicking the triangular sign, the next level of hierarchy is shown. This layering of components continues as long as there are deeper levels of folders or components underneath. Now we are going to see second part. The right part of the Explorer screen displays the contents of the folder or the components that are selected in the left part. All the major actions are performed in this part of the screen. Now we are going to see managing files and folders. Using Windows Explorer, we can create, rename and delete one or more folders. You can also rename and delete one or more folders. Now, how to create a folder? Some steps are there that we are going to see. Let's see. You can also rename and delete one or more files present in a folder. Right click on blank area and select new option and folder. Then on the desktop, new folder will appear. After that, you can rename in the folder. Right click you have to do, then after that you can rename it and delete also. Now if we want to copy or add any files in the folder, we can add by dragging. Otherwise, we can right click on the file or folder. There will be copy and paste option will be there. Copy, and where we have to add, there we have to click and paste it. Now we are going to see how to rename file or folder that we are going to see. So some steps are there that we are going to see. Let's see. Renaming a file or folder. Now we are going to see some steps. Select the file or folder that has to be renamed from the right part of the Windows Explorer screen. Which file or folder you want to rename, that file or folder first you can select and click on file or folder. Right click, otherwise you can go upside. There will be remove option. When you will click on remove option, small cursor will be there and there you can type which name you want to give. Okay. we are going to see copying and moving a files and folders. So some steps are there that we are going to see. Let's see. Open Windows Explorer. Click the file or folder to be copied. Click Edit menu Copy option. Now select the location where we want to copy the file or folder. Click Edit menu Paste option to move a file or folder. Open Windows Explorer. Click the file and folder to be copied. Click Edit menu Cut option. Select the location where we want to copy the file or folder. Click Edit menu Paste option. Now we are going to see managing file and folders in the recycle bin. Now how to restore file from the recycle bin, that we are going to see. So some steps are there. Let's see. All the deleted files and folders are stored in the recycle bin folder. If accidentally you have deleted any important file or folder, you can restore it from the recycle bin. To delete file or folder, right click on the file or folder that we want to delete. Click the delete option from the drop-down list that appears alternatively. Press the delete key on the keyboard. Click yes on the confirmation box for the deleting the selected item from the disk. Deleted file will be moved to the recycle bin. To restore a file or folder from recycle bin, open recycle bin from the desktop. Right click on the file or folder that we want to restore. Click the restore option from the drop-down list that appears. File will be restored to the same location from it has been deleted. Now we are going to see shortcuts. Shortcut is a link to an item such as a file, folder and program in your computer. You can create shortcuts and place them in a convenient location such as on the desktop and in a navigation pane of a folder. Now how to create shortcuts, that we are going to see. So some steps are there. Let's see. First, on the empty area you have to right click, there new option will be there and shortcut option will be there. So there one empty box will appear. There you have to click browser and which shortcut you want to give, that you have to select. And then you have to press OK. So you have to finish that work. So your shortcut menu will appear. Then in other way you can go in the all programs and there you can select Adobe Photoshop, send to, and then creating shortcut. Now we are going to see deleting shortcuts. So some steps are there. Let's see. If you do not require the shortcut, you can delete it by selecting the shortcut icon and pressing the delete key. Windows will confirm before deleting the shortcut. Now we are going to see setting system date and time. Click on the date and time icon, place at the extreme right corner on the desktop. The calendar and clock dialog box will be displayed above the icon. Click on the change date and time settings, link of the calendar and clock dialog box. Now the date and time window will appear on the screen. Click on the change date and time button on the date and time window. Now the date and time setting dialog box will appear on the screen. Change the date and time and click and select it OK. Today we have seen Windows Explorer shortcuts, setting system, date and time. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.